Hey Scouts, I'm Tia with Scoutshop.org and I'm here to help you get ready for summer camp. Camp is filled with awesome memories just waiting to be made, but packing beforehand can be a pain. Since a little preparation goes a long way, here are a few tips to be prepared. Get ready for adventure and, more importantly, know where to find your stuff. You'll thank me later. Don't forget to pack days in advance and don't fall into the trap of waiting until the last minute. First, you'll need a checklist. It'll make packing a breeze. Use a list from the camp you're attending, your troop, or our checklist at scoutshop.org. Next, you'll need to get packing for your adventure. For summer camp, a footlocker and a day pack should do the trick. In your footlocker, start by packing the heaviest items at the bottom. This will make it easier to carry and you won't crush your lighter possessions. This means shoes and heavy gear can be stashed in first. Next, put medium weight items on top of the heavy stuff. Then we'll move on to clothing. The amount of clothes you'll need depends on the length of your exciting camp experience. If you roll your clothes neat and tight like this, you can utilize every bit of space. Pro tip: roll each day's outfits together so that you'll spend less time rummaging through your pack in the morning and more time having awesome summer camp fun. Bring a few extras, but avoid overpacking. Lastly, pack your sleeping bag on top. This will be the first thing you'll want to unpack when you arrive. Include your health and hygiene essentials and use a resealable bag to stop them from leaking on your clothes. In your day pack, you'll want to pack your swimsuit and towel on top so you can take the swim test almost as soon as you get to camp. Pack your first aid kit, a water bottle, a compass, and a hat will come in handy. Take a hydration pack as an easy thirst quencher on the go. It can also double as your day pack whether you're biking, hiking, or enjoying a fun day at camp. Find this and other summer camp necessities at scoutshop.org. Now that you're all packed and ready to go, prepare yourself for a remarkable action-packed summer camp adventure with bonding, developing countless skills, and exploring the great outdoors. Thanks for watching.